Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to answer one of the Selenium interview questions. That is it compulsory to create readme.md file in GitHub repositories? The answer is no, it's optional. Okay, readme.md file is not mandatory to be created in GitHub repository. Rather, it is optional. Whether you create or doesn't create, nothing will happen. Okay, if you create, it will be useful for your project repository where all the information about that particular repository will be there in that readme.md file for the other people to go and find about the project, okay, for which the repository is related to. So if you have not created, still it is okay. You can still create the repository without having a readme.md file. That's also okay. That's why I'm saying it is optional. It's not mandatory. But it's better to create, guys, so that all the information related to project you can document in this readme.md file, okay? But even though it is optional, okay? So let me prove that practically, how it is optional and all. I'll show you how to create a repository without using this readme.md file, okay? I'll just open this github.com and then I'll click on this profile icon. I'll select the your repositories. Then we are going to get this new button here. Already existing repositories are there, many repositories are there. So just click on new, and here say new repo, just give some random name, new repo I'm giving. So here, this is optional, guys. Whether you select this or doesn't select, doesn't matter, it's optional. If you add this readme file, what will happen? You will have a chance to document this readme file by writing the information about the project or this repository related project in this readme file. If you don't create, you will not be documenting the project information in this readme file because readme file won't be there. But is it possible for us to create this repository without adding this readme file? The answer is yes. Click on create repository. The repository will be created, guys. So there is a problem here. Okay, repository creation failed is coming. That's okay. So let's new repo one or some just a different name I am giving. Let's see this time it will get created or not. I have not added the readme file. You see the new repo has been created. Okay, it doesn't have any files. It doesn't have any files. Without the readme.md file, we are able to create the repo. Okay, so the answer is no. It's not mandatory or compulsory to create a repository with this readme.md file, where readme.md file is purely optional. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye bye.